Africa we stand, farmers shaping futures, working hand in hand, with our vision growing stronger every day. Through collaboration, we light the way. FCA Africa, this is our energy. From the field to the shelf, through synergies. Together we build, together we rise. Collaboration shining across African skies. Every seed we plant holds a story to tell. Dreams of tomorrow where our people excel. Youth and leaders moving with one voice. Synergies in action, progress is our choice. FCA Africa, this is our energy. From the field to the shelf, through synergy. Together we build, together we rise. Collaboration shining across African skies. Side by side we break new ground. Stronger networks all around. A continent united in purpose and pride, with collaboration as our guide. FCA Africa, this is our energy. From the field to the shelf, through synergies. Together we build, together we rise. Collaboration shining across African skies. FCA Africa, from the field to the shelf, through synergy. Together we build, together we rise. Collaboration shining across African skies.